Welcome to Nature Walk, the podcast that takes you on a journey through the wonders of the natural world. I'm your host, David, and I'm delighted to have you join me today as we explore some of the most fascinating stories from the world of wildlife. As we celebrate Valentine's Day, we often think about love and relationships in the human world. But what about in the animal kingdom? Today, we're going to take a look at some extraordinary courtship rituals and mating habits that will leave you amazed. From the intricate social hierarchies of naked mole rats to the impressive displays of dominance by Japanese giant salamanders, we'll delve into the fascinating world of animal reproduction. Let's start with one of the most unlikely creatures, the naked mole rat. These burrowing rodents are found in East Africa and are known for their unique social structure. At the heart of each colony is a dominant female, often referred to as the queen, who reproduces with multiple males while suppressing the sexual development of other females. This remarkable strategy ensures that she maintains control over the colony and passes on her genes to the next generation. But what's even more astonishing is that these queens can have enormous litters, sometimes exceeding 30 babies at a time. And with 12 nipples to feed them all, it's a truly remarkable display of maternal care. However, this comes at a cost, as the queen must defend her title against other females and even her own offspring. In contrast, Japanese giant salamanders take a rather different approach to mating. These massive amphibians can grow up to 5 feet in length and weigh over 50 pounds, making them one of the largest salamander species in the world. During their breeding season, males will occupy underwater dens with single entrances, where they'll defend against other males and attract multiple females to lay their eggs. The dominant male, or den master, will then fertilize the eggs externally and provide care for them over a period of 2-3 months, protecting them from predators and ensuring they receive enough oxygen. It's a remarkable example of paternal care in the animal kingdom. Last but not least, let's talk about corals, those incredible marine animals that challenge our assumptions about the natural world. With over 6,000 species found in oceans around the globe, corals are capable of reproducing both sexually and asexually. During their breeding season, they'll release massive amounts of sperm and egg cells into the water column, hoping to fertilize and create new colonies. This strategy may seem chaotic, but it has its benefits. By releasing large numbers of eggs at once, corals can increase genetic diversity and reduce losses to predators. However, this approach is also highly sensitive to environmental conditions, making coral reproduction a delicate and intricate process. As we've seen today, the natural world is full of fascinating stories about love, relationships, and reproduction. From the complex social hierarchies of naked mole rats to the impressive displays of dominance by Japanese giant salamanders, each species has evolved unique strategies to ensure their survival and success. We'll be right back with more fascinating stories from the natural world on Nature Walk. Welcome back to Nature Walk. I'm your host, David. As we continue our journey through the natural world, we find ourselves at a fascinating intersection of geology, paleontology, and the resilience of life on Earth. Today, we're going to explore an extraordinary story of recovery and adaptation, one that challenges our understanding of how quickly life can bounce back from even the most catastrophic events. Imagine a world where 3/4 of all plant and animal life has been wiped out in an instant. This is precisely what happened 65 million years ago when a massive asteroid struck what is now the Yucatan Peninsula in Mexico, causing the extinction of the dinosaurs and countless other species. It's a moment in Earth's history that marks the boundary between the Cretaceous and Paleogene periods, a time of unimaginable devastation. But as we've come to learn through remarkable discoveries in paleontology and geology, life has an incredible capacity for resilience and innovation. One of the key pieces of evidence for this comes from microscopic fossils known as planktonic foraminifera. These tiny, single-celled organisms are encased in mineral shells and have been found in ancient ocean sediments all over the world. A specific species of these foraminifera, Parvularugo globigerina eugubina, has become a marker for the dawn of life's recovery after the asteroid impact. By studying the appearance of this species in sediment cores, scientists have been able to estimate how long it took for life to start rebounding after the extinction event. Initially, estimates suggested that it took roughly 30,000 years for these early signs of life to appear. However, more recent research using a rare form of helium gas, helium-3, which is delivered to Earth at a constant rate by interplanetary dust, has provided a more precise timeline. By analyzing sediment cores from the Chicxulub crater and other locations around the world, Scientists have found that Parvularuga globigerina ugubina actually evolved within just 6,400 years of the impact. This revised timeline is not only remarkable for its brevity, but also for what it tells us about the pace of evolutionary innovation. It suggests that life can rebound and diversify at an extraordinary rate, filling empty ecological niches with new species in a matter of millennia. This process of rapid speciation is a testament to the dynamic and adaptive nature of life on Earth. However, it's also important to note that while evolution can innovate quickly, it cannot instantly repair the damage caused by mass extinctions. The recovery of ecosystems takes millions of years, and some losses are irreparable. The dinosaurs, for example, never returned. As we reflect on this story of resilience and adaptation, we're reminded of the awe-inspiring capacity of life to endure and evolve in the face of adversity. It's a message that resonates deeply with us today, as we navigate our own challenges in preserving biodiversity and ensuring the health of our planet. Welcome back to Nature Walk, dear listeners. As we conclude our journey through the wonders of the natural world today, I'd like to take you to a place where magic happens every February, Yosemite National Park in California. You might have heard of it, but let me paint a picture for you. Imagine standing before the majestic El Capitan rock formation as the setting sun casts its golden glow upon the Horsetail Fall, transforming it into a mesmerizing spectacle known as Firefall. This phenomenon is not just a sight to behold, it's a testament to the perfect alignment of natural conditions. The waterfall must be flowing, which typically happens during winter, and the sky must be clear for the sun's rays to illuminate the mist just so. It's a fleeting moment, available only from February 10th to the 26th, making it a rare treat for those who venture into Yosemite National Park during this time. As the park prepares to welcome visitors for this spectacular event, it's essential to remember that with great beauty comes great responsibility. The surge in visitation over recent years has stressed the environment and posed challenges for park staff. So, if you're one of the lucky ones planning to witness Firefall, please do so responsibly. Respect the natural habitat, follow the park's guidelines, and ensure your visit is both safe and sustainable. For those who can't make it in person, don't worry. The magic of Horsetail Fall will undoubtedly be captured by photographers and shared across social media platforms, offering us all a glimpse into this enchanting world. It's a reminder that even in our increasingly urban lives, nature has the power to awe and inspire us, to bring us together in wonder. As we wrap up today's Nature Walk, I hope you've enjoyed our little excursion into the heart of Yosemite as much as I have. Remember, every corner of our planet holds secrets waiting to be uncovered, stories of resilience and beauty that can teach us so much about ourselves and our place within the natural world. That's all for today's Nature Walk. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and until next time, keep exploring your natural world.